On eviction, Ozo finally explains why he kept making advances at Nengi despite being rejected. Big Brother Naija Season 5 lockdown evicted housemate Ozo has opened up on why he kept trying hard to convince his love interest Nengi to love him. While on live stage with the show host Ebuka Obi-Uchendu following his eviction from the show, Ozo said that Nengi is one of the nicest person he has met in his whole life and there's something about her that kept convincing him to keep trying. He continued that Nengi is a smart person and has many qualities, adding that she has that potential to build a good family with him.
Before approving anything with you, why then did you not feel the need to step back? What was it that made you keep going?
I just said, like, you meet this one person in life and you always tell yourself, okay, I've met a couple of people my whole life. I'm 28 now. I've never been like a relationship kind of guy, but there's just something about her that just drew me closer to her. She's someone that she'll never back down, and when she talks, people listen as well. You can see her, even with her time as head of house, and obviously she's very attractive as well. So, yeah, for me.